Welcome to a bowl of happiness. Today we are making 爽やか塩豚丼 fresh lemon flavored salted pork on rice. This is the perfect dish in the summer. I'm not entirely sure where you are right now, but it's in the middle of the rainy season here in Miyazaki, Japan. The humidity is really high and the gloomy sky is a bit depressing. This bowl of salted pork is lighter than any other dishes that we've introduced so far. And this is the easiest dish. You could cook this in less than 10 minutes. Let's get started. First, mince the leek finely. The finer the better here, as we will be using this in the sauce to marinate the pork later. Chopping onions, leeks, or green onions can get you teary, but don't give up. I actually got teary just filming this video. And now, in a small bowl, add in some of the chopped leek, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, one teaspoon of chicken stock powder, half a teaspoon of rock salt, and finally, 1 clove of grated garlic, and stir really well. You could add in extra leek if you like. Let's start frying the pork. You don't need any oil here for the non-stick pan. Start with low heat and spread the sliced pork in the pan. Turn up the heat a bit and fry till it's cooked. Lower the heat and pour in the sauce. And turn the heat up high and quickly fry it, marinating the pork with the sauce. Get your warm rice ready and pour it on top. And sprinkle some black pepper and add chopped fresh green onion. And here we are. Our 爽やか塩豚丼 is ready. Squeeze some lemon right before you dive in. This is a super easy dish. Like I said in the beginning, it only takes about 10 minutes to cook, except the part where you have to chop the leek. But it's totally worth it, I promise. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. We introduced delicious Japanese homemade dishes that are super easy to make. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already.